What if I told you that you already have the secret weapon that every single one of the world's biggest brands uses to make you want their stuff? It's something you use every day, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use it to ace your next school project. So, your teacher just gave you that assignment: create an advertisement. Your mind might immediately jump to flashy commercials, catchy jingles, or celebrity endorsements. It can feel intimidating, right? How are you supposed to compete with the pros? Here's the secret: you don't have to. Because great advertising isn't about having a giant budget or a famous actor. It's about one simple thing: understanding people. And today, I'm going to give you a simple, 3-step blueprint that will transform your school project from a boring assignment into an awesome, persuasive ad. But first, we have to talk about the single biggest mistake almost everyone makes. They start by thinking about their product. They think, my product is a solar-powered phone charger, so I need to talk about its solar panels, its battery size, and how fast it charges. That sounds logical, but it's completely backward. Here is the most important rule of advertising: nobody cares about your product. They only care about what your product can do for them. They care about their own problems. A person doesn't buy a drill because they want a drill. They buy a drill because they want a hole in their wall. The drill is just the tool to get them what they really want. Your ad needs to sell the hole, not the drill. So, let's get into our 3-step blueprint for selling the hole. Step 1. Find the ouch. Before you even think about your ad, you have to find your audience's problem. Their pain point. The thing that makes them say, ouch. This is your starting point. Let's stick with our solar-powered phone charger example. What is the ouch? The ouch is not, I don't own a solar-powered charger. The real ouch is that gut-wrenching feeling when you're at a park, or a concert, or on a long bus ride, and you see your phone battery hit 5%. It's the panic of being disconnected. It's the fear of not being able to call for help, use your GPS, or listen to your music. That feeling of panic and frustration, that is the ouch. Your first job is to clearly identify that feeling. Step 2. Offer the ah. Once you know the problem, you can introduce your product as the solution. The ah is the moment of relief your product provides. It's the hero that swoops in to save the day. So, you don't just say, buy our solar charger. It has a 5-watt panel. No. You connect your product directly to the ouch. You say, remember that feeling of panic when your phone dies? That feeling is over. With the Sunbeam charger, you have a limitless power source right in your backpack. You have the freedom to stay connected, no matter where you are. The freedom to explore without fear. See the difference? We're not selling a feature, a 5-watt panel. We're selling a benefit, freedom from panic. The product becomes the key to a feeling of relief, of ah. Step 3. Create the aha. This is the fun part. This is the creative hook that makes your ad memorable. Now that you know your message is, we solve the ouch of a dead phone battery and give you the ah of freedom, you can think about how to deliver that message in a cool way. You don't need a Hollywood budget. You just need a simple, clear idea. Maybe it's a powerful visual, a split screen. On one side, a person is looking stressed, staring at a dead phone screen in a dark room. On the other side, the same person is smiling, sitting in a beautiful park on a sunny day, their phone actively charging from your product. Maybe it's a catchy slogan, Sunbeam Charger, don't just charge your phone. Power your freedom. Or maybe it's a mini story. Show someone on a hiking trail, lost. Their phone is dead. They look worried. Then, they pull out your solar charger, connect it, and a moment later, the screen lights up with a map. They smile, relieved. The aha is that moment when your audience instantly gets it. They see the problem, they see the solution, and they remember your product. So let's bring it all home. The secret weapon of every great advertiser isn't money or fame. It's empathy. It's the ability to understand someone else's problem. Your blueprint for an amazing ad is simple. 1. Find the ouch, the real human problem. 2. Offer the feeling of relief your product provides. And 3. Create the aha, a memorable hook that tells that story in seconds. This skill, of understanding a problem and clearly presenting a solution, is more than just a grade on a school project. It's a superpower you will use for the rest of your life, from job interviews to presentations to just convincing your friends where to go for dinner. Now go build something awesome.